Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of monitor that I've got at Best Buy. So it was some sale and they made it cheaper than it normally is. It's 23.8 inches. So I've got it today, so let's unbox it. So it was on sale at Best Buy. Normally it's $100, but it was for $60, and it came in this box. It says ACER AOPEN, so it's 24 inches almost. So I would take it off. Here it comes with this inside. Come with HDMI cable, looking like so, and inside it has, inside looks like this. We have to take it off. Is empty, so I put it here. So it comes with this base, nice. Here is another cable, which is the other one. This FHD, yeah, FHD. It comes with 2 screws. Here is the model number. What do they say here? Yeah, HDMI and power cord. Here's power cord. I don't see it. Yes, here is power cord. That's funny looking. So big. These fingers. Monitor looks like this. Ta-da! It's wide actually, but not that tall. here it looks like this. So I guess it has to be connected. Be right back. So here I have to put this part in here. So I will do it. So I plug it in and I put the base, this part to this part. So it is already connected. Now I think 2 screws have to be screws on into it from the bottom, but now those 2, but then I will give it to my boyfriend to do later. And then where's power cord is in. Now it looks like this one standing. Over this kind. Not iMovie. I want iMovie. Maybe it would be. I don't want this. Rubber from dog. iMovie. Maybe here. Continue. And this is also a monitor video, how it looks, how colors looks like. And here you can see how it is. Not bad, but maybe in future we'll buy better one. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy such videos. If you do, thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next one. Bye.